Jim, as we said, oil back above 100 after Brent's biggest absolute fall in dollar terms, second biggest fall in history.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday we had an analyst come on Citi. He was basically calling for a crash in oil. And I look at a crash and I say to myself, no, wait a second. Do we have the makings of a crash? Do we suddenly have a surfeit of supply? And we don't. Do we suddenly have no demand? The opposite. So I didn't buy that at all. However, I do see that oil could easily trade to 80, which is where Pioneer and Devon said it might go, which is why they refuse to start drilling more, as opposed to being able to necessarily do what the president wants, which is drill, baby, drill.
Yes.
Drill, baby, drill, but then stop drilling the moment you start drilling, which is the way they view it. So, David, here's what I think. We're seeing the great unwind of speculation. No one's talking about this. I think that the reason why interest rates continue to go down is not because of recession, but because there's a collapse in commodities, of which oil was the last to collapse. I do think this because I'm backed up by the fact that the housing stocks were the strongest stocks yesterday, and those need lower mortgages, and the mortgage applications are very weak. So it's entirely possible that we may be seeing the beginning of something good, not for all stocks, because I think the Roblox move was a phony one, but for the stocks that sell at 5 times earnings. A Lennar is bottoming here. That's what I'm saying.
Wow, that's you hit a lot of different things, and that's an interesting thesis. I want to just start on energy because this has been a year that has been extraordinarily difficult to be an investor because there has not been one trade that has consistently worked through the year. Even energy at this point
you are dead
has
right.
not worked, and we should start there. You went through a lot of different things, including, very importantly, housing, but you had a lot of, the hedge funds just can't seem to get anything right. So a lot of them were long this energy trade. They may have been short something on the bond side or hoping for higher rates against it, and then obviously long some commodities, and now they're getting crushed again.
Yes.
Because nothing. Now, a lot of it may be positioning. I know it's just a typical thing you say, but again, it goes back to this theme that even energy has not been a safe place for the. It's been a great place to be.
That's a bear market. But how about the fact that the last to fall, the last shoe of this Imelda Marcos-like creation we've got here is the ExxonMobil setting a new record in free cash flow, and no one cares.
And no one cared, right? We got that news on Friday, although you had to back into some of the numbers. Stock has been going down because of the commodity going down.
Right, but that's what commodities are crashing. But no, everyone's saying, ooh, it must be a recession. No, it's the commodities got overinflated. Everything got overinflated. Everything over-earned and got overinflated.
Copper has been one of the great examples, and Freeport stock price in particular.
Because China shut
lately.
down.
Right.
Sanjay Mehrotra told us that China shut down. But today, no one notices this. China actually went to a vaccine strategy. Well, that's what we've been waiting for. It's no longer just the don't go anywhere, we'll stop COVID.
Yeah. Goldman, of course, Jeff Curry, as we said yesterday, sticking with his 140 oil target. Big note last night arguing that yesterday was about a weak, strong dollar and low open interest and weak volume, and that structurally the supply equation is going to rear its ugly head again.
Well, I mean, look, is the president going to empty the Strategic Petroleum Reserve? Or David mentioned yesterday that we're up to 12 million, but that's, David, all that is back to where we were. It's not like we're pumping 14.
No, but we're back to where we were prior to the pandemic.
The Russians found a way to get their oil into the market. That's what happened.
That was one of the things that Curry said we were surprised by.
Right.
The thought that the sanctions would really curtail.
I know Curry. That was a chink in Curry's overall.
Well, it didn't account for India and China being a very willing buyer of Russian fruit.
They thought India was a democracy that would side with the West.
Meanwhile, I think you've got the Russians are shutting down some 1 million barrel pipeline in the Caspian or something due to environmental concerns. I know. You still have to worry. Europe is trying to figure out its plan here. We'll see how bad it gets, but it's bad going only to worse in terms of stockpiling enough natural gas and everything else they need as they head into the winter. No.
Because the Accelerate, there's a company that makes one of many. West Farrell does them too. Fortress. There are these boats that are floating LNG tankers that you can fill, and as you need natural gas, you deplete them. This is actually one of the few companies that has come public that actually was not
and so Europe needs to depend on all of these? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
This is going to come to the aid
No, it's happened already.
Right.